Thumbing through the new book, Entertainment Industry Contracts and Agreements, Volume 1. Pre-drafted contracts and agreements you can use within the music, film, and club venue promotion industries by VSO Publishing, LLC. So I'm just going to open to the first couple of pages. So our dedication there, ISBN. Since this is a paperback book, it should have an ISBN, but even ebooks can have ISBNs as well. So disclaimer, very important because I am not a lawyer, and these are documents that could be deemed legally binding. Table of contents. Thanking Jesus always in all things. And my girls. All right, so here's an example of an actor agreement. All right. If you're doing a film project and you have an actor, you want to do an agreement with them. Artist management. Say you want to manage an artist. All right. Pretty lengthy, but ultimately there's always room where you can add amendments, cross things out, write down percentages. It's a little snippet, the book. It's not too many pages. We got a lot of different material in here. Check it out. Amazon, Barnes & Noble, all major online book outlets. You can always follow us on Instagram at VSO Publishing and find out more.